to need for your Mother's Day Tree of Life. 4-inch steel rings. I'll have the link where you can purchase these. Rose quartz chip beads. Your wire cutters, a small pair of flat nose pliers, 24 gauge rose gold wire, and I'm going to add some of these light pink and the darker pink crystals. I just think it's going to look really. An old piece of chain, silver. If you have a rose gold chain, that'd be really great, but a lot of us don't. And I would say about 7 to 8 inches. And one of the little window suction hooks. First thing you're going to do is you're going to cut out 10 strands of your wire, 14 inches long each. Alrighty, you cut your wire, and don't you love it when it's all boing like that? You want to know the best way to get that straightened out? Just back and forth. Go slide down and just a little back and forth like that. And you're going to be manipulating it anyway, so there you have it. Now your wire's straight. Take one of your wires and meet it right at the middle. Grab your metal ring, and you're going to slip that right through like so and pull. It's a little tougher with wire, but it works. And pull that as tight as you can. And do that with all 10 of your wire. Alrighty, now that we got that done, that wasn't too hard on the hands, was it? You're going to spread them out just a little bit, like so. So you're going to pinch it here, about 1 inch up. You can go ahead and separate them. Makes it a little bit easier to twist. And you're going to just gather them like this and twist. Just make sure it's straight. That's looking good. All right, you have them separated. 10 here, 10 here. Grab 4 from this side and 4 from this side. Meet them at the middle, and you're going to twist. Remember to twist the same direction every time. 2, 3, and 4. Let's twist it one more time. Okay, and then we're going to grab these and separate them. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to twist them. What we're doing here is we're making some branches for your tree of life. And we're going to twist that about, I think I did 6 times on that. And we're going to do the same on this side. Yes, we are. We're going to separate them again. One more time. Each one. Except this one, they all have 3 now. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So we want, blah, blah. Yeah, I can talk. What we want to do is cut off the branch that has one single wire. Just snip it right at the end. So you'll be missing 5 strands for a total of 15 branches. Now, grab your beads and just start to bead these wires up. I'm try and choose some of the smaller ones. And you don't have to use this type of bead. You can use any kind of stone that you'd like, or bead, seed beads, anything you'd like. I just thought this would be really pretty for Mother's Day. So I'm going to put 3. I wish you could put this in a seed bead feeder, but you can't. Okay, so there's 3. I'm going to add one of the crystals. I think I'm going to put a darker one in there. These are really pretty. They're so shiny. And they're going to look great as a sun catcher. All right, come on, come on, come on. Boy, my eyes are getting bad with age. You can cut some of these long wires off now. And a couple more of these. This is a basic tutorial on how to make a tree of life. Nothing really fancy, just how to. And I've just recently started to do these. Okay, you want to have your wire right about there where the steel is. And you're going to fold over. Get these out of the way. And you're going to pull it like that. And then go back over on the opposite side, under, and pull it. And go around again. And just keep alternating the side. And I'd like to give it a nice little tug in the back so it's secure. And then we're going to just continue to wrap on the same side that you ended. You can go ahead and cut that little tiny bit off. So that looks pretty good. And I'm going to continue to do the rest of these wires. And always make sure as you're going to hold the tree out in front of you and make sure it's straight. If you want it on a bend curve, that's fine. But I'm just starting with the straight tree for now. Perfect. Then we'll go up there. Okay, so now we're going to wrap this one. And we're going to just slide it over that way so we can work with this wire. And we'll slide it to the edge after. Now you can always check if you think you added too many beads, it's not moving and it's not looking the way you want it to. Go ahead and remove one of the beads, or you can add a bead if you didn't add enough before you completely wrap it. The less manipulation you do with the wire, the less likely you will have breakage. And that looks good. So we're going to go ahead up and under again. And pull. And tuck. And that one was a little short for some reason. I don't know how that happened. But that's good. We got her. And slide that over. Yeah, that's going to be beautiful. So now I'm going to start on this side here. I'm just going to continue to add the beads. I hope not everyone is cursing me out yet. Not every project is easy, but the end result is always the same. You guys love your work, and I love your work. And I'm happy that you put up with me because I will not rush a video. I can't do it. I can't find the hole either. There we go. All right. And you can play with it a little bit and see how it's laying. The wire and the beads always kind of tell you what they want to do. Obviously, it's the next day because you're not looking at the same table. And got most of it done. So we're going to finish these last 2 stems, and then I'm going to show you how to put the chain on to hang it. And it's a pretty simple process. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them at the email there in the corner. I answer every one of them. Come on. And I would have to agree with everyone. This was not the easiest project in the world. But, I mean, really, who would not love that for Mother's Day? I know I would. In fact, I might just keep this one. Please feel free to show me some photos of yours when it's complete. I really would like to see how they turned out. And I apologize for this video taking so long, but I like to do everything step by step and not rush it, because then you understand the process. And I'm kind of learning this myself still. I'm by far no expert on the Tree of Life, but everybody has been so wonderful with your comments and your praise for my channel. It's been really a humbling experience so far. I'm going to show you something I decided to add on this last little stem. And it's optional, you don't have to, but I think it's going to look really beautiful. It's just going to shimmer a little bit more. And I'm going to put it on right now. I grabbed a little charm. They sell them little 4 or 6 packs of the charms in the craft stores, and this one just, I mean, it just sparkles so pretty. I love it. So I'm going to put it on this last stem. Let me see how this is going to look. I might not like it, but we'll see. Yep, I'm going to like it. Definitely. Okay, so let's finish that. We got her. Now let me straighten this camera out so we can see. Wow. We're going to attach these 2 to ends and then on our ring to hang it on the window. So we're going to take this, and so we're going to go ahead and separate that. And I think we're going to put it right there. That's perfect. And what I want to do is come on, get on there. Okay, we got it. And then grab it that side and just squeeze it back together. Perfect. And then we're going to do the other side, and we are done. And that's perfect. Okay. And we did it.